Belleair comes with prestige, and this home is just a chip and a putt away from the green. This is 356 Belleair Drive Northeast, and it truly is the perfect golf course home with this expansive water feature separating the golf course and golf balls from your backyard. This is my favorite room of the home because it truly is an escape with its own private sitting room and balcony. Whether you love to cook, like to entertain, or just want to impress your friends, this kitchen will do it. You have 2 islands, plenty of storage with a closet pantry, a great coffee and wine bar, plus a butler's pantry. With 360 days of sunshine here in St. Petersburg, sometimes it's fun just to close the blinds and act like it's a cold, rainy day and watch a movie. Hey Audrey, will you bring me some popcorn? For a personal tour of this home, please give me a call. My name is Rachel Sartain Tenpenny. I'm the broker owner of the Tenpenny Collection.